When we're in college, we're basically given free rein over the foods we eat. According to USA Today, 60% of college students aren't even getting the recommended 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. Students may not realize that certain foods have overwhelming benefits that should really make them consider eating them. In our college years, it is critical that we take care of our bodies so we can focus on our schoolwork and not have to worry about our health. Scientists have come up with a list of superfoods that have numerous benefits packed into common foods. So what is a superfood? Superfoods are nutrient-packed foods that are readily accessible to the public and have health benefits backed by peer-reviewed scientific studies. According to Gary Null and Martin Feldman, certified nutritionists, native traditions claim some fruits and vegetables had greater health benefits than others, but it was not until they were studied through botanical science, modern chemistry, and molecular biology that their outstanding properties became widely known. Like all healthy foods, superfoods do helpful things to the body, but they do it better. Many of the foods are low in calorie, but have a high benefit to people's health. Superfoods are known to have unusually high levels of antioxidants, probiotics, protein, omega-3 oils, or other nutritious factors. So why are superfoods important? They have a long list of benefits for our bodies. Superfoods are great at keeping the heart healthy. Null and Feldman claim years of research has proven that some superfoods can protect from heart disease. This is important because heart disease is the leading cause of death for women, especially in the United States. One heart-healthy superfood is oatmeal. Although it is not always found in the dining halls, it is cheap, quick, and easy to make. Oatmeal is high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Omega-3 is extremely important for the heart health because they decrease triglyceride levels. This is important because triglyceride levels are like fat cells in the blood. Just like people who are overweight are more likely to have diabetes, people with high levels of triglycerides are more likely to have heart disease. According to Dory Einstein in an article from Better Homes and Gardens magazine, omega-3s are also important because they decrease the growth rate of plaque that leads to clogged blood vessels. The fiber in oatmeal will keep the consumer full for a longer period of time, eliminating snacks. Another superfood that is strongly beneficial to the heart is spinach. At every single lunch and dinner served in the dining hall, spinach is available in some form. The article, The Health Boosting Properties of Superfoods, states spinach contains potassium, which has been found to be a great defense against high blood pressure. Potassium has the ability to balance out the negative effects of salt. A high amount of sodium causes the body to hold extra water to wash the salt away. The extra salt puts stress on the heart and blood vessels. Null and Feldman declare potassium can get rid of the salt, stopping the body from holding in the water, and therefore lowering blood pressure. Citrus fruits are also powerful contributors to a healthy heart. Citrus fruits contain flavonoids and vitamin C. Specifically, oranges contain hesperidin. In the article Omega-3 Fatty Acids and Coronary Heart Disease, the unknown author claims this flavonoid has the ability to strengthen and intensify the effects of vitamin C. Vitamin C is important to minimize the amount of harmful free radicals which leave irreplaceable damage to heart muscle cells by repairing the cells with atoms and other molecules. Free radicals are uncharged molecules that have unpaired valence electrons. Because they are unpaired, they have the ability to move freely and attack cells. Hesperidin and vitamin C work together to fight off the frightening free radicals. Another vital part of the body that needs good taken care of in our college years is the brain. Certain superfoods have been known to help the brain specifically. Studies have shown that blueberries protect brain health, improve memory, and sustain coordination by enhancing communication between nerve cells. According to nutrition researcher James Joseph, blueberries contain compounds that boost neuron signals which turn on other systems in the brain that can lead to other proteins improving memory and other various cognitive skills. This provides protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. A study presented at 2010 International Conference on Alzheimer's showed that mice with Alzheimer's demonstrated improved memory, learning, and motor coordination after eating walnuts. Nutritionist Amanda Chan states walnuts have high levels of antioxidants, and researchers claim that they may counteract the damage done to brain cells' DNA caused by free radicals in the body. Once again, free radicals are doing harm, but this time in a different part of the body. It is important to eat foods high in antioxidants that will fight off these free radicals. According to Judith Woods in an article from The Telegraph, the brain is the most sensitive to damage by free radicals. Pomegranate has also been recommended by researchers due to their ability to protect the brain from the harmful free radicals. Antioxidants are the most useful ingredient for the brain due to its ability to fight free radicals. Cells can be damaged significantly faster than they can be repaired. Over time, Chan warns the damage done to the brain cells will lead to decay of mitochondria, which leads to neurodegenerative diseases. Although blueberries, walnuts, and pomegranates are not as commonly found in the dining halls, they contain overwhelming benefits for the brain, and it is important to get a serving of them or any kind of food with similar compounds multiple times a week. Superfoods do more than just help the heart and brain function, they improve the immune system as well. Some superfoods contain immune-boosting antioxidants. Yogurt is a great superfood for protecting the immune system. Found at breakfast and brunch at most dining halls, yogurt has probiotics, or healthy bacteria, to keep the intestinal tract and gut free from disease-causing germs. These bacteria are especially beneficial after taking antibiotics. In doing the antibiotics job, some healthy bacteria are removed. It is important to replace these so our intestines can break down foods and fight off germs that cause diarrhea. Chicken noodle soup is a superfood as well. A study done at the University of Nebraska found that 12 out of 13 chicken noodle soups stopped the migration of inflammatory white blood cells. This is important because cold symptoms are the body's response to a cell's accumulation. Researchers are unsure what ingredient it is in chicken noodle soup that does the trick, but they are sure of the correlation. Men will be happy to know that beef is a superfood as well, in moderation. According to an article on WebMD called Antioxidants in Your Immune System, Superfoods for Optimal Health, zinc deficiency is common in American adults, especially for those who have cut back on red meat intake and vegetarians. Zinc is important for the production of white blood cells, which recognize and destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Superfoods have an abundance of benefits, and they are easy to get, even while at college. It is important that we eat these nutrient-packed foods to help our brain, heart, and immune system stay healthy and young. Oatmeal, spinach, oranges, blueberries, walnuts, pomegranates, yogurt, chicken noodle soup, or beef are just a few of the many superfoods. And next time you are at the dining hall and looking for a food packed with benefits, you know just the food to look for.